I'll open up to Q&A and happy to answer any and all questions that you guys have.
Okay, it looks like for our first question, it says, should I refurbish my walls and floors before selling it?
Great question. Well, I don't know what your walls and your floors look like as far as the refurbishing goes, but I can tell you this. One thing that what we do is from DLP is we have what's called our seller solutions. So we go out there, we go out to your home, and so we can do this one of two ways because we understand with COVID and everything, we do this one of two ways. We can go out to your home. We have all of our safety practices. We have all of our masks. We have hand sanitizer. We have everything to practice safe social distancing and everything we have. They're all trained on that. Second thing is we can do this virtually as well. So either or, we can do this over a Zoom call. We can walk you through everything. But to answer that question is we want to look at your house first. We want to look at your house first. We want to advise you on like, hey, if you refinish the floors, if you refinish the walls, will that bring value to your situation? Because it's based on your situation. You have to keep that in mind. That sometimes it might make sense to just take an immediate cash offer on your home and get out, depending on how much other work it is. I mean, is it just your floors? Is it just your walls? Now, if your home is completely redone and you have a hole in your wall, yeah, fix the hole in your wall. It's going to show a heck of a lot better to a home buyer that's out there, and they're going to wonder, I mean, just imagine yourself walking through a home, why is there a hole in my wall? But again, it depends on your whole situation here. So to answer your question, reach out to us. We'd be happy to walk through your home virtually or walk through your home face-to-face and give you that advice, give you all of those tactics that you might need to make that informed decision.